Hi guys, we have here the Pyle USA classic retro dynamic vocal phone microphone. This is a red color one. We'll go ahead and open the box, give you guys a quick look at the product you will receive when you order this. Comes in like that. What else? We have that instruction, warranty information. Got the cable. And got the mic. Got the cables here. All the pieces that come. Remove so we want to see the quality on that. On, off. Nice retro looking mic. Dynamic. Works really great. So highly recommended. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys, and have a great day.